Thanks, Phineas and Ferb. This is exactly what I need to feel better. You're welcome, Candace. It's a cure for the sniffles. Nah. Just what the patient ordered. Oh look, it's the chicks. We could use some vegetable soup too. Vegetable soup for everyone. Wow, this vegetable soup really is a cure for the sniffles, and I feel much better. Hey, thank you so much for your help today. Now it's time for so long, but we'll sing just one more song. Thanks for doing your part. You sure are smart, you know, with me and you and our friend Tigger, we can do anything that we wanna do. Bye bye. See you later. Come again. Bye bye.